Ever wonder why berries are so often dubbed as superfoods? From the humble blueberry to the exotic acai, these vibrant fruits are more than just a sweet treat. They are packed with essential nutrients, making them a powerhouse of health benefits. Consider the expert opinion of leading nutritionists. They often highlight the high antioxidant content in berries, which are vital in fighting off oxidative stress, thus reducing the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. But the benefits don't stop there. Berries also support heart health in other ways. They are known to lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels, which is a great reason to include them in your daily diet. And what about digestion? Here too, berries come to the rescue. They are high in fiber, which promotes a healthy gut microbiome, leading to better overall digestive health. Chefs around the world also love the versatility of berries. They are far more than a snack or a dessert topping. Berries can add a burst of flavor and nutrition to salads, smoothies, and even main dishes. Scientists are also intrigued by the potential medicinal properties of berries. Research is ongoing, but current findings suggest that certain compounds found in berries may have anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects. This could be a game changer in preventing age-related cognitive decline and promoting brain health. In summary, whether you're aiming to boost your immune system, support your heart health, or simply satisfy your sweet tooth, berries are a top-notch choice. They are versatile, delicious, and chock full of health benefits. So, why wait? Start enjoying the incredible health benefits of berries today. Remember, berries are indeed nature's superfood.